Oblivious means not conscious or aware of someone or something. Oblivious means unmindful. Oblivious means unconscious. Oblivious means unaware. Oblivious is usually followed by of or to. Synonyms of oblivious are clueless, ignorant, incognizant, innocent, insensible, nescient, unacquainted, unaware, unconscious, uninformed, unknowing, unmindful, unwitting. Antonyms of oblivious are acquainted, aware, cognizant, conscious, conversant, grounded, informed, knowing, mindful, witting. Its example is presented in the following sentence. The thief had moved in silently, and we were oblivious to its presence in the room. Oblivious is beautifully used in the quote of Mr. Khalil Gibran, as the optimist sees the rose and not its thorns. The pessimist stares at the thorns, oblivious to the rose. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, Quick Boosters at YouTube, and follow us on www.quickboosters.com.